Gas Nation Rise. Hit the like button, subscribe. Gas Nation Rise. Hit the like button, subscribe.
Yeah, this is how bad the storm is. This is how bad it is. Just on my road, there was like 3 trucks. I don't know how many inches this is so far. Look at this. And we're slipping and sliding. It's gonna go. Ooh. Snap. Look at this. Yeah, we're like stuck. You hear a car? Ooh. Yeah, our car's not. I don't know if you guys could hear this. It's not even able to go up the hill. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. I don't even know if it's a state of emergency. Look at this. This is how bad it is. The main roads are even all filled with snow. You know how usually you could tell like the highways when they're not, look at the plows are everywhere. But you could usually tell when you're on, like, look at it, our car's like sliding, guys. This is not good. Wow, there's a power outage in this area. That's crazy. There is no power. Wow. This is crazy, guys. I don't know if it's state of emergency and we're all here driving. All I see is plows. I've only seen a couple of cars. Look at the power wires down. It's almost on the floor. You got cops up here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if that's an accident. Yep, an accident. Something happened. Oh, power outage. The power thing went down again. This is crazy. This company's opened with this snowstorm. Like, that is not safe. My husband. He's getting me my iced coffee. I'm walking in this, and this is bad. This is really bad. It is coming down, guys. Look at the skies. It is bad. Hold on. Look at this. Look at the trees, guys. Look at that. This is bad. Alright, guys. Let me get off of this before my phone gets messed up. Look at this. Look how deep that is. Look at this. Look at this. Trees fell over. That's crazy. So guys, if you guys have not subscribed, go subscribe. You can hit that like button, hit that like button. And if you haven't, hit the notification bell right there somewhere. Hit that notification so every time I go live, you're the first one to see. I love you all. Remember, stay gassy.